Este pinche pelo. Ooh, this hair back here is not cute. It gives you like a... Oh, I just poked my eye. Ew, that bumps. What bump? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, my name is Griselda. I just want to make a public announcement that it is officially Gemini season. If y'all didn't know, I am a Gemini. If you want to send me a present, my birthday's June 6th. I'm totally kidding. You don't have to send me a present, but I am excited for my birthday. Not because I'm gonna do anything, because I never do anything for my birthday, but also Anthony's birthday is June 15th, so he's also a Gemini. How I deal with that, I have no idea. I just like have a better understanding of who he is as a person. But another reason why I don't do anything for my birthday is because I like to celebrate him. Let me know in the comments down below if you're a Gemini. I just wanted to let that out because I feel like we all struggle as Geminis, the look. And you guys know, if you're a Gemini, you know what look I'm talking about. You know. Every single time I tell someone that I'm a Gemini, I always get the, oh, you're a Gemini. Like, what is that supposed to mean? Like, please explain. Comment down below if you get that look. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this super easy, summery, glowy look. I came back from New York and I came back with so many great ideas that I wanted to do for my channel. One of them is doing a super bright look, but still keeping it simple and soft. The only thing that is super bold is obviously the lip, and you guys can definitely change the lip color or add or take away whatever you feel like from this look to make it very wearable for yourself. So if you want to see how to create this look, then just keep on watching. We're gonna start off by applying a little bit of this Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. This is for oily skin, and I've been using this moisturizer with all my makeup applications. So we're just gonna apply that all over the face. Maybe we should move this hair out of the way. There you go. We want a really nice, like, glowy finish to the skin. We're going to be using the Banana Bright Face Primer by OleHenriksen. And this is a really nice, like, radiant primer that I like to use. With this primer, it's not going to make me oily. It's just going to give me that really nice, like, radiant glow all over. Something broke me out. I have no idea what it is. I don't know if it's something that I ate or... ¿Qué pasó? No sé. Ustedes me dicen si quieren un tutorial. I think that's how you say it. Tutorial en español. Díganme en los comentarios. Basically what I said is let me know if you want a makeup tutorial in Spanish. Let me know in the comments down below. Let's not forget about the eyes. We're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of this Banana Bright under eye cream. So I usually have two different under eye creams, one for my nighttime and one for my daytime. So this is usually what I use for my daytime. Okay, so now that we have the skin all prepped, we're gonna move on to foundation. I'm gonna be using my Nars Sheer Glow foundation. I talked to you guys about this foundation and how I was like so scared to use this because it said sheer and glow, but this foundation has left my skin looking really buttery and really glowy, and it gives you like that really nice dewy finish. And I'm using the shade Syracuse. Dab that all over the face. And this foundation is sheer, but I do like to build it up, so I do maybe 2 layers of this foundation just to give you that medium to full coverage. I have no idea what broke me out, and I'm trying to think what I've used that could have caused this breakout, and it's like literally all under here. I applied a little bit of aloe vera, so it did calm it down because it was like really bumpy. Like it has like little small whiteheads, which is really gross. Usually I like to focus most of the foundation like right in the center of the face and the perimeter of the bottom portion of my face, and whatever extra I have, I like to apply it on my forehead. En mi frente la vamos a difuminar. I feel like I definitely need to practice my Spanish. I know how to speak Spanish, and it's not like I don't know how to hold up a conversation. It's just when it comes to like the correct terminology of my face and the products, that's where I get like stuck. Se me traba la lengua. I'm gonna definitely try to do a video in Spanish. Maybe I should have my mom come on. For my concealer, I'm gonna be using my Creme concealer in the shade Ginger. This is just gonna cover up a little bit of this pigmentation because I'm gonna go in with a lighter concealer to highlight. I usually like to apply it just like in this area when I color correct, because this is usually where I have the most pigmentation, just like in this area. We're gonna use Jouer's Essential High Coverage Concealer in the shade Toast. We are going to pop that right here. And I do use a really light shade because when I do set my concealer, and you guys will see that, it does tone down just a little bit, so it's not going to be as bright as this. Because this concealer dries down pretty fast, I like to do it in sections. So I like to do my under eyes and then highlight the rest of the high points of my face. We're going to be using this Covergirl Full-Spectrum. This is a contour kit, and we're going to pick up these 3 colors right here. And I'm using this Laura Mercier Camouflage powder brush. We're just going to contour with this. I really have seen a huge difference with the way that my skin looks when I use a cream contour. I know it's like very anti-cream products, but as I age, my skin also changes. I have to figure out what works for me and what isn't working for me anymore. So just kind of testing out different techniques, different products also really helps. I love how this leaves my skin. I really love how creamy and flexible this palette is because it's not hard to blend out. Now we're gonna pick up this Sigma small contour brush and we're just gonna buff that in. And I'm just going in circular motions to kind of diffuse it. And then you can go back in with your beauty blender and just kind of blend everything together. And then when it comes to the nose, what I like to do is I like to just pinch the brush and then just blend everything out. And then just going in with a beauty blender and just kind of blending everything together. I'm not gonna bake, so I'm gonna go ahead and just set my under eyes very lightly with my Huda Beauty powder. This is in Banana Bread, and I'm using a Sephora brush, and this is a blush brush, but I'm gonna use it to just like set very lightly underneath the eyes. Sometimes it creases when you don't set it right away, so we're just gonna go in and just blend out those little lines, and then we're going to lightly set. And I'm using a pressing motion so it stays in place. And then just go ahead and set the rest of the areas where you've highlighted. And I'm using the same pressing motion. Okay, so for bronzer, I'm going to be using my Give Me Sun by MAC. I'm using this one because this one is like a mineralized skin finish, so it gives you like the illusion that it's really nice and like silky. I'm going to be using this number 20 brush by Kat Von D. And I'm going to start off by pressing it in so I don't interrupt the cream product. And then we're gonna go ahead and buff everything out. And I'm just gonna go ahead and use that blush brush by Sephora and not apply any other product. I'm just gonna go ahead and press whatever extra powder I have to kind of define underneath my cheekbones. So I don't wanna fully bake my face. Next, we're gonna be using this Watermelon Glow Ultrafine Mist. This gives you that really nice, like dewy, silky, velvety finish to the skin. So we are going to soak our face in this. Smells like watermelon. I just want to keep spraying it. I'm not gonna go ahead and set my whole face. I just set those areas that I know need to be set, like the areas where I use the cream and like right underneath the eyes. Everything else doesn't need to be set because I'm not oily anywhere else. So if I do get oily, it's not gonna look like I can fry a bucket of chicken on my face. It's just gonna look really nice and dewy. Okay, so for highlight, we're gonna be using my Hot Damn by Artist Couture. This highlight just gives you that really nice all over like The sun is shining on the face. I'm gonna pick up this Morphe M504 brush. I want the application to be a little bit more precise. We're gonna pop it right in this area, and I'm going in circular motions because I want it to kind of blend in with my bronzer and my under eye, and just kind of keep it right there. Then I'm just gonna flip the brush and then blend everything together. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick up a little bit of that bronzer and just kind of blend it in with the highlight so it doesn't look like you have highlight and then bronzer. Now picking up that brush that you used to set your under eye, we're gonna go right underneath and also blend that too. Let's not forget to add a little bit of highlight to the forehead, down the bridge of the nose. You want to make sure that when you hit them with an angle, you can see your highlight. And then we're going to use that brush and kind of diffuse everything, because then you don't want to get clogged for that, you know? Okay, so moving on to the eyes, we're going to be using the P. Louise base. I have been using this lately, and oh my goodness. It's made such a huge difference on my eyeshadow. It is so good. So we're gonna pop that on the eyes. We're just gonna pop that onto the lid. We're gonna buff that out. And this eye look is literally so easy. Okay, so for the eyes, I'm gonna be using this Starlight Sparkle Shadow Palette by Lancome. Okay, so we're gonna pick up this color called Embers. I think that's how you pronounce it. And my 224 brush, and we're gonna pop that right in the center of the crease. We're just gonna blend that in. And I'm not using a first transition shade because this is honestly gonna be a super easy eye look. And this color can definitely be diffused into like a lighter shade. So we're just gonna buff that into the crease really nice. So it gives you like a really nice transition. See how it gets darker and then you diffuse it into like a lighter shade. I feel like this look just needs to be like really nice and effortless. And then now picking up this coppery tone right here, and I'm using this Morphe 433 brush. We're gonna spray that with our watermelon mist. I'm just gonna pop that right on the center of the lid. And then just going back in with my 224 with no product. I'm just blending those two together. We're going to be using this Dose of Colors brush. This is one that came in one of the palettes. And we are going to pick up this color right here. And we're just going to run that through the bottom of the lash line. Now we're going to pick up the Rue Bonaparte eyeliner by Nars. And we're going to run that through the waterline. A lot of you guys always ask me what eyeliner I use, and this is always my go-to because it just helps neutralize my eyes and it just like makes them pop. So for mascara, I'm going to be using my Pat McGrath Labs Fetish Eyes Mascara. This mascara gives your lashes literally a facelift. Look at that. You can leave your lashes like this or pop on some lashes. But you guys know I'm gonna pop on some lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Lily lashes in the style Sydney. And I really like these because it makes your lashes look extra full. I really wish my own lashes look like this, but they don't. You know what? I'm just gonna cut this off because it really is bothering me. I'm just gonna snip. So for this look, I decided not to do any eyeliner just because I feel like a summer look is supposed to be like really nice and effortless, and I think this is what I consider effortless. I feel like I'm popping on two different lashes, but we're just gonna go with it. You know what happens sometimes. I feel like I've been doing that lately and nobody can tell. If you are loving this look, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on your notifications so you get notified every single time I upload so you don't miss these looks. Yeah, these are two different lashes, but you know what, we're just gonna go with it because I don't even know where to begin to look for the other lash. They look pretty similar. What do you guys think? Do they look the same? I feel like they are the same. I'm just gonna keep telling myself that. They're the same blush. I know you guys have done the same thing. So do not judge me. Okay, for my bottom mascara, I'm gonna use my Extended Play by MAC. This is the Giga Black Mascara. So for the lips, I'm gonna be using this liquid lipstick by MAC in the shade Quite a Standout. And this is like a bright orange color. I really love these applicators because you don't need a lip liner to line the lips. Ooh, this is pretty, like Mando, Chilida. Once I popped on the lip, I decided that I needed a blush. So I'm gonna be using this Toxic Mineralized Baked Blush by Il Makiage. Yes, this changed the whole look. All right, let's not forget about the glow because we don't want just the skin to be glowing, we want the body to be glowing. So we're gonna be using, this is the Major Glow Body Oil in the shade A Moment by Patrick Ta. And I'm just gonna spray it right on my chest. We're gonna go ahead and just buff it into the skin. And make sure that everything is glowing. Alright everyone, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments down below. Let me know if this is a wearable look for you. I know a bold lip can be a little bit intimidating for a lot of people, but I feel like this look is perfect because the eyes are super subtle and the lip is what stands out, but you also have a really nice like glowy skin, so I think everything looks very cohesive. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments down below. I know the sun has been playing us because it's been super gloomy, but I wanted to create a summer look because maybe that will inspire the sun to come out. I don't know. No sé. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this look and I will see you guys in my next video.